In today's video, I'm going to show you the future of finance. So this terminal, this software that you are seeing here is something I've been working for the last 8 months. That's why also I'm not being as consistent in terms of videos, but that will change now. So in this terminal, you have access to the best information. You can execute from here, and you have the AI layer. This is a swarm of AI agents. Each of them has different responsibilities. So this updates in real time as all the best information. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I've been building. This is amazing for investors, traders, hedge funds. I don't think there is anything like this out there. So this is the command center category. You have 21 of them. I'm going to speak about the main ones. Then if you want to use this software, you can comment below. So as you can see here, you have the information about crypto. For example, here, this is for Bitcoin. This is integrated with TradingView. So you can use this to do some technical analysis. You can look at the technicals. This is also very helpful. You can see the EMAs, resistance, support, Bollinger Bands, and also you can look at the fundamentals. This is for the entire crypto. You can also look at crypto and fear index. This is very useful, especially if you want to know if we are in a time of fear or in a time of greed. We have here market stats. We have the ETF flows, which basically show if the institutions are buying or selling. Lately, as you can see in the last few days, a lot of outflows. So institutions have been selling in the last few days. Also here you can see the top 15 cryptos, but you can actually see any of these cryptos. And if you want to go and do a deep dive into crypto, again, you have here the open interest, funding rates, long versus short, liquidations. Here you can actually look at the ETFs and looking at the institutions that are buying and selling, and also looking at week by week. So this is the crypto deep dive. You can also here check the whale positions, also the correlation. So if you are a crypto trader, this is a tab for you. If you are a stock trader, like many of you are, you can, for example, you want to see NVIDIA. Again, you have the integration, you have the technicals, you have the fundamentals, all the information of the company, and then here you can generate a thesis. This is a AI agent that will generate a thesis for NVIDIA, and it's going to tell you the thesis, bull case, bear case, verdict. So yeah, for stocks also, as you can see here, you have the price to earnings, basically the valuation of the companies, and you can look at, say, the most important ones. Here you can see the top movers. If you are a macro analyst, also here you have the macro, inflation. This updates in real time, so no need to update this. And also here you have the AI morning brief. This is an AI agent that keeps updating in real time, tells you about crypto, stocks, geopolitics, commodities, everything in one place. Also here you have the economic calendar. You have the earnings here where you can see in real time. And you have also smart money right here. So this is one of the tabs. If you want to go deeper and actually trade, you can also use this. As you can see lately, Bitcoin has been in this range of 76, 78, basically doesn't move from here. We went to 82 last week, and we have this really good demand zone where actually Bitcoin came. So you can actually track here the assets. In my opinion, you have Hyperliquid, Tau, BitTensor, and Zcash. Tau still keeps being my number one conviction. I think this will run like Hype and Zcash. It's a more complex project, but I also think has a lot of potential. So I think these are some of the projects I think will survive. You could add here Sui, Near, which I also like. But in general, I think crypto doesn't have the moat at the moment. And most cryptocurrencies don't have any value, to be honest. But still, I think there are really good opportunities, but not many. Unless you know where you are investing, I'd say these are the best ones. Here you can look at on-chain metrics. You can look at the exchange reserves. You can see if people and investors are actually taking their cryptocurrency to exchanges, which is a bad sign in general. Usually they do that to sell. You can look at derivatives. You can see that the traders are bullish, they are longing this. Here again the ETFs, and here also you can look at the TVL in real time. If you want to do that for stocks, for example, you want to see the deep dive for NVIDIA, you click here, you can look at all the tabs, all the revenue statistics for NVIDIA or for any other asset, returns, valuation, and if you want to compare, you can compare this with most stocks, as you can see. So you have the rule of 40, that is basically revenue growth plus operating margin. So if you are a stock trader, this is really good too. You can see the market breadth here, and also you can actually look at options. So if you are an option trader, also you can look at options, and you can actually use AI as well to help you guiding and tell you what's happening. Like, are people bullish? Are people bearish? So in real time, this will take a bit to analyze, but we'll analyze basically what's happening right now. So also you have here for indices, this is also a cool category. You have macro, where basically if you are a trader nowadays, you need to know about macro. So here you have all the information: inflation, US Treasury yield, Fed policy, also everything in real time. And if you go actually lower, you can look at the recession probability. This is done with AI, where it looks at a few signals, combines them, and tells you the probabilities of recession. Then if you are a crypto trader, this is also a very cool tool. This is integrated with Hyperliquid. Here you basically can look at the orders in real time. This updates in real time. So for example, here for Bitcoin, you can see where the best orders are. For example, at 73 is the biggest support, and the biggest supply is around 79. You can do this for any asset. For example, for Tau, if we look here, the biggest resistance for Tau is around 287, and the biggest order blocks, the biggest support is around 276. So we are not that far. Can do that for any asset. If you want to track the best investors in the world, also this is a pretty good tool. For example, you click Warren Buffett, you can check what is he using, what is he buying, what's his portfolio. You can see Apple, American Express. You can see the changes. Actually, his hedge fund bought Alphabet, Google in this case. I think they doubled their position, 200%. So they bought a lot of, as you can see, 200%. Yeah. So they increased Google, their biggest position. Actually, before the Gemini 3.5 was launched, this was announced. And also, this is a cool tool. This will be a deep dive. This is an AI agent that will do a deep dive of each portfolio. As you can see here, you can see the portfolio a bit better. You can look at the allocation and see what sectors is allocating at. You can see the quarter, you can see the thesis, bull case, bear case, and analysis. So you can do that for any investor, and then you can actually look at which investors are making money or not. So this is a really good tool, similar to something like Autopilot. I don't know if you heard, but allows you to check the best investors in the world, and soon enough you will even be able to copy their trades. Then we have Chronos. This is probably one of the most ambitious categories of this terminal. This basically combines the best models in the world. Instead of having to open Gemini and Grok and Claude, you can use all of them here in real time, and is connected to 50 to 100 different APIs, websites, all connected with financial markets, all the news, the Twitter. So it has a lot of information. So you can ask here, for example, we could use something like the new model of Google, which is Gemini 3.5, and it's going to analyze, it's going to tell you what's happening with the current macro regime. But yeah, you have a lot of models here that you can use. As you can see, we are currently navigating a stagflationary regime, and it will tell you. The difference of this is that the AI has been trained more for macro, geopolitics, trading. You can see the sources used, and also it chooses what model to use. Sometimes better Gemini, other times Claude, other times even Kimi, which is Chinese model. So yeah, this is a really good tool. The difference is memory is persistent and also dynamic. Anytime you do a new session, you don't lose the memory like in most AIs. He remembers all the things and is dynamic in the sense that he keeps changing his memories. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, there is something called dreaming, where the AI dreams in a way and actually prunes the memories, and he actually learns about you in real time. Yeah, also you have these AI agents here where you can ask about stocks or crypto. So yeah, it's really cool. Also, another thing that I almost forgot to tell is Kronos, this AI, is constantly doing predictions about crypto, stocks, macro in real time, and it keeps improving every single day. So he's already, I think, has a 50% win rate across many things, and it keeps improving. So not only he has persistent memory, but also he keeps improving its quality. So this is something I use quite often. You can use the best models. There is also this model here for more difficult questions where you can use the best models combined, like Claude, Gemini, Grok, and they will use the three models at the same time and give you a pretty good answer. If you are a trader, this is probably one of the best tools. You can connect with your portfolio on Binance, Hyperliquid, Coinbase. You're gonna see all the cryptos here that you have, or stocks. Right here you have news, and this is also something I could do a video of 2 hours explaining this. But for example, if you share your screen here, it will show. Right, let's actually do that. Let's open actually something. I want to show this in real time. For example, let's go to Tau. Right here, let's share screen now. What will happen? The AI actually sees your chart. Has really good screen vision capabilities, and it will be able to help you and guide you about what you ask. In this case, could be Tau, could be Bitcoin. You will see the chart, and it will help you. So it's pretty cool. So for example, give me the analysis for Tau. So you will look at it, and it will tell you what is looking, and tell you like the demand zone, support zone, sometimes even trades. So this is also a pretty cool tool that I've been using for the last few months. As you can see, look, Tau USD currently is in a bearish trend. It's going to tell you support, resistance, moving averages, and as you can see, will tell you the setup quality is 4 out of 10. So not a good trade. So this is really cool. Not only it can help you trading, but also you can execute from here. So this is integrated with Hyperliquid, Binance, Coinbase. The only thing you need to do is connect your APY and trade from here. Perpetual, spot, can use leverage. This is just an abstraction of the exchanges. So another cool tool. And let's just finish with, there's a lot of categories I'm going to speak more often. This is Kronos, another advanced version of AI. This will give you a bear case, bull case. Let's actually look at it. So this is going to give you a bear, bull case, casual, and very soon enough you will have even a debate where it's going to use all the models like Gemini, Grok, and it's going to have a debate. So this is really good, especially if you have a hedge fund or you want to know if he's a good trade or not. This is probably the place to use. Takes a bit more time, but is an amazing tool that I use almost every single day too. Also, not only that, the Kronos God in this case, it keeps improving by itself. As you can see, his accuracy keeps changing, his hypothesis, his outcomes. So he actually writes his own code at the moment. So yeah, it's a really good tool. It's a mix of AI agents, and then it's going to give you an answer about whatever you ask. As you can see here, it's going to give the bear case, it's going to give the bull case, and then it's going to give you a verdict. So it's a very good tool. And let's go for the last one, God's Eye. this is very good, especially if you are a macro trader and you want to know the situation in real time, but looking at the globe, this is really good. So for example, these dots here, you can see the most recent news. You can see what's happening in real time across the globe. So yeah, this is something I've been building as far more than this. You can trade from here as well. Not only you have amazing AI capabilities, you can trade from here. This is some of the exchanges that are integrated. There are going to be more, but at the moment, instead of having to open 10 different tabs, you can do that everything from the same place. You just need to connect your API and you are good to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. If you want to use this software, comment below and see you soon.